Ever since I became a parent to 3 kitties, my home has become a battleground against cat hair, food crumbs in the sofa creases. Regular robot vacuums require frequent manual washing of a mopping cloth, while vacuum cleaners leave me with the tedious task of mopping afterwards. Thankfully, the Eufy Robot Vacuum E28 has emerged as a game changer. It claims to be the world's first robot vacuum with the Hydrojet mopping system. It combines vacuuming and mopping and features a detachable portable deep cleaner. This innovative device can effortlessly tackle stubborn stains on sofas and carpet with just the press of a button. The unboxing of the Eufy E28 is as impressive as its promises. The packaging is eco-friendly, composed of 95% of recycled materials. Inside, you will find the robot vacuum itself, an all-in-one Omni station, a portable deep cleaner, a detachable base, a safety sheet, and a quick start guide. The robot vacuum has a solid build, feeling more robust compared to the other brands I've used before. On top of the device lies a laser navigation sensor, while the bottom reveals the dual spiral brush and the Hydrojet mopping module. What stands out is that this mopping module can rotate 360 times per minute with an applied force of 15 Newton. Coupled with an 11mm narrow edge design, it can reach into low spaces like under the sofas. Compared to its predecessor, the E28 introduced a detachable PDC module weighing only 1.2 kilograms. It's light enough for children to lift. This PDC is designed to handle fabric stains on sofas and carpets, and it can self-clean its water pipe with a simple press of a button to prevent bacteria and odor. The base station is extremely space efficient. The all-in-one Omni station, which is smaller than an A4 paper, integrates 6 functions: self-emptying the dustbin, self-cleaning the mop cloth, automatic drying, automatic detergent top-up, automatic water refill, and wastewater collection. Testing revealed that the 3-liter dustbin, combined with the hot air drying of the mop cloth, enables up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning. The 2.5-liter freshwater tank allows for 4 mopping sessions in a 2,000 square foot house, while the 1.8-liter wastewater tank collects dirty water. The automatic detergent addition function can last for up to 6 months with a single refill. If I were to describe the Hydrojet mopping system in one sentence, it would be a TUV certified eraser for stains. We put a mixture of soy sauce and flour on the floor and let it sit for 24 hours. After starting the E28, the mop cloth rotating at 360 times per minute and applying a pressure of 1.5 kilograms to deal with the stain. The dual scrapers simultaneously wiped away the dirty water, while the fresh water continuously rinses the mop cloth. Compared to ordinary mopping robot, the cleaning rate of dried stains in one go was significantly improved. More importantly, the live water self-cleaning technology keeps the dirty water tank separate from the clean water tank, preventing secondary contamination of the mop cloth. Official data shows that this reduces bacterial growth by 90%. However, it should be noted that this system is more suitable for hard floor stains. In addition to this, the E28 boasts a powerful 20,000 PA turbo suction mode. This feature is a savior for pet owners, as it effectively lifts the cat hair in carpets. When I scattered cat hair and food crumbs on a long pile carpet and activated turbo mode, the robot automatically recognized the carpet and lifted the mop cloth while instantly enhancing the suction power to 20,000 PA. The test revealed that the deeply embedded cat hair was completely moved out. Thanks to the extendable roller brush design, after returning to the base station, the brush rotates in the opposite direction to flush the hair into the dust collection box. This is nothing short of a life-saving function for pet families, putting an end to the weekly roller brush cleaning. Moreover, the E28 can automatically adjust its suction power based on the cleaning surface, effortlessly handling carpet with a pile height of up to 1 inch. After a week of continuous use, I found 0 hair tangled on the roller. Compared to traditional rollers of other brands, the E28 improves cleaning efficiency by 200% when dealing with 100 grams of cat hair, and there's no need for manual disassembly and cleaning. The corner rover side brush extension represents a significant advantage of the E28. Many robot vacuums struggle with cleaning corners and crevices, but the E28 corner rover arm impresses me a lot. When the robot approaches a corner, the side brush automatically extends, acting like an arm to sweep out powders from baseboard gaps. Coupled with a 20,000 PA suction power, even the nooks and crannies are thoroughly cleaned. Compared to my previous model, which left about 30% of dust in corners, the E28 achieves a cleaning rate of over 90%. Additionally, by downloading the Eufy Home app, users can set up over 30 types of stain recognition, such as tomato sauce and oil stains. When the robot detects tough stains, the top LED light illuminates and automatically switches to intensive cleaning mode, scrubbing back and forth to effectively remove the stains. With the support for the Matter protocol, users can simply speak to their smart speakers to activate the robot. The app also allows users to set no-go zones, such as bedrooms. Although it currently lacks a virtual wall functionality, the zone cleaning feature is sufficiently flexible. It would be a welcome enhancement if a virtual wall functionality could be introduced in future updates. Moreover, leveraging AIC technology and RGB visual recognition, the E28 is equipped with LED lights that enable it to operate in dark environments. It can identify and avoid over 200 objects, and combined with iPad laser navigation, plan precise cleaning routes. Additionally, it has obtained some cybersecurity certification, ensuring user data and privacy protection. On a full charge, the E28 offers a battery life of 180 minutes in a vacuum-only mode and 110 minutes in a combined vacuuming and mopping mode, sufficient to cover apartment up to 200 square meters. Regarding noise levels, it operates at 55 dB in standard mode and 68 dB in turbo mode. This makes it suitable for cleaning without disturbing nighttime rest. It's important to note that the base station must be connected to a drain pipe. Otherwise, users will need to empty the wastewater tank regularly. The Eufy E28 is more than just a combination of a vacuum cleaner and a mop. It is an integrated solution thoughtfully designed by identifying user pain points. The anti-tangling roller brush addresses the pain point of the pet-owning households. The PDC module fills the gap in fabric cleaning, and the HydroJet system technically restructures the logic of mopping. If you're tired of daily cleaning chores or are driven mad by stains created by pets or children, this intelligent cleaning robot deserves a spot on your shopping list. Now, you can click the link in the comments section to head to Amazon. For those with a tighter budget, the E25, which lacks the PDC module but still delivers excellent cleaning performance, is also a great option. Okay, this is Will from China. See you next time.